Hi, Tim Unkert here. In this video, we're going to create tables from functions. So this first problem here, we're creating a table from the function f of x equals 2x plus 5 for the x values 0 through 5. So I'm going to start by writing down my table here. So we have my x values, and then sometimes you'll see y or y equals f of x or just f of x. I'm going to put f of x up here. And we have our values of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so let's start figuring out our values here. So when x is 0, well, 2 times 0 is 0, and we have 0 plus 5, so we start with 5. And we notice our slope here is 2. That means for every increase of 1 in x, we're going to increase 2 for f of x or y. So we're going to go from 5 to 7 to 9 to 11 to 13 to 15. And that's all there is to it for this first problem. Let's try another. All right, so now we're doing an exponential function. So we're going to create a table for the function f of x equals 1,000 times 1.3 to the x power. This is like our a, our initial amount when x equals 0. This is our base b. So let's create our table. So we got our x and our f of x values. And again, we're going 0 through 5, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so when x is 0, our initial amount is 1,000. And then we're going to go up and we're going to multiply by 1.3. So let me pull out a TI-84 here. And you can use any calculator really. So we're going to do 1,000 times 1.3, which is going to be 1,300. That one you could probably do in your head, but as you keep multiplying by 1.3, it might get a little bit more difficult. I'm going to multiply by 1.3 again, so we're going to get 1,690. Okay, we'll just keep multiplying by 1.3. Next value is 2,197. Keep multiplying by 1.3. Next value is 2,856.1. And then multiply by 1.3 again. We get 3,712.93. And we've got our table created here. Let's try another one. Okay, this one we're creating a table for the function f of x equals negative 2x plus 3 for x values 0 through 5. So we've got a linear function with a negative slope. Let's do our x values and our f of x values. And we've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When x is 0, the y or the f of x value is just 3 here. And we have a slope of negative 2, so we decrease by 2 each time. So we go from 3 to 1 to negative 1 to negative 3 to negative 5 to negative 7. And we are done with that table. Okay, this last one, we're creating a table for the function f of x equals 1,250 times 0.8x for the x values 0 through 5. So we will be getting smaller or decaying as we increase in x. So we have our x and our f of x values. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let me do that 5 a little bit better there. Okay, and 5. Okay. All right, so at 0, we have our initial amount, which is 1,250. And to see why that works, if you had 0 for x, you'd have 0.8 to the 0 power, which is just 1. And 1 times 12,050 is just 12,050. Okay, so now each time we're going to take that, we're going to take our initial amount, 12,050, not 12,050, 1,250, and we're going to multiply by 0.8. Okay, and so we then go to 1,000 for our next value. Okay, if we multiply by 0.8, we're going to be at 800. Multiply by 0.8, we'll get 640. Times 0.8, we'll get 512. And times 0.8, we'll get 409.6. And there we go. We've got our table. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And I hope to see you in the next one. If you have comments or questions, leave a comment below.